Brand new 2026 Forest River Stealth toy hauler. This is the model 2800. We're gonna do a walkthrough. Some specifications before we get into it. The length of this vehicle is 32 feet and 3 inches. It has a dry weight of 10,500 pounds and a carrying weight of about 5,100 pounds. Fresh tank capacity on this is 150 gallons. Gray tank capacity is 65 gallons and black tank is 40 gallons. It's got 3 200-watt solar panels on the roof with an inverter, and there's a generator on board. If you want to get a hold of me, you can call me at 350-207-7290 or email me at the email on the screen. Let's get into the walkthrough. All right, starting on the outside of the vehicle, first thing, fiberglass coach with the Illumicage frame. It means you got an aluminum frame on this Forest River Stealth. Really like what they did with the lights this year on the sidebars for the molded front cap. Pass-through storage is a little bit different, as the pass-through is from the passenger side to the front of the coach. Right side over here, you're gonna have your battery department over here. Your battery compartment over here. Generator. Instant hot water heater for dumping. Got your 16-inch radial tires right here. 2 slides on the coach, both on the driver's side. One in the living room, one in the bedroom. Fuel station here. It's where you fill it up. It is a 40-gallon fuel station. Framed windows all throughout the coach. Back here is the patio and also garage door ramp. Storm windows on the exterior to the interior entrance. Garage is 15 feet, 6 inches, walked out and measured out. LED lighting on the awning. Safety handrail on the outside into the coach. And that is the outside of the vehicle. 2 of your 30-gallon tanks can fit into the propane area. Let's head inside. All right, we're starting off in the garage. It's about 15 feet and 6 inches to length from the fridge to the back doors. On the back doors, we'll step out there first. This is where your patio is and your storm doors. Right here, if you wanted some more space, pull on this little lever, and that door opens on each side. Now you have a bit more space. Coming back inside, bunk beds can be adjusted to where just the bottom set comes down and the top set stays up if you wanted to, so you have more headroom and you don't have to duck yourself. Storage across the top and right above your chairs, which are across from your TV and fireplace. Fireplace gives you 2 forms of heat now. You have your furnace on the coach and your fireplace for heat in the vehicle. 1 electrical, 1 propane. You do have a 12-volt fridge on this unit. You're gonna have your steps over here. Before we move forward, this is where your solar amp controller charger is with all of your controls and also your remote powered inverter. Bathroom, quite a bit of sink and counter space. Across from your toilet, which is porcelain, and your shower. Then back into the bedroom. I tell you, I walked in here a few times and every time I think that that back headboard right there is a window that I can pull up. Storage right there, and then for your hanging clothes, right here. That way they didn't have to take away from your bed and your sides to give you a hanging area. That is the 2800 Stealth Toy Hauler. This has been the 2026 Forest River Stealth 2800 model. If you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me through the email or the phone number on the screen. I've been Sam, you've been awesome. Come buy this. Love you, bye.